Hey guys, this is John, and I wanted to do an introduction to MongoDB, so I will jump right into it. For those that don't know, what is MongoDB? It is a document-oriented database. MongoDB is an open source product developed and supported by 10gen. The name comes from the word humongous for scalable, large data, meaning the project is meant for large data capability. It's available with public licenses, and you can get commercial licenses. You just download the product, and then you'll need a language driver. And there are language drivers for almost any language out there. MongoDB is scalable. It's open source, like I said. High performance, document oriented database from 10gen. That's exactly how 10gen puts it. Document oriented is a NoSQL database, and from what I understand, that is, non-relational as opposed to relational. Your data can be relational, but the server just doesn't provide for a relational database. It is a horizontally scalable, giving it much power. So the goal of the MongoDB project is to bridge the gap between key value stores, which are fast and highly scalable, and traditional relational database systems, which provide rich queries and deep functionality. And that is the goal of the MongoDB project. Document queries are kind of set up by 10gen with their own style, but you can do stored procedures. You can use plain JavaScript, and then calling the procedures is very simple. Input with the document queries is basically an arbitrary JSON object, associative array. So basically you can use a PHP array, a Python dictionary, Ruby and Perl hash, etc. So you can see that it's with all the different language drivers, you can use all these different languages and just use JSON objects, and it's a little different than MySQL. So all the documentation is available on GitHub as a repo, and again, it's all horizontally scalable, so you get scalability, performance there. The supported platforms, you got Windows, Mac. If you have a Ubuntu system or something like that, you can just go to the documentation and check it out. You might want to get the new version. It is open source, so make sure your version is going to work. So yeah, that's pretty much my intro to MongoDB. I hope that provides kind of a segue for anybody thinking about using it, maybe starting a project with it. Thanks a lot.